Hello everyone, welcome Edugram Audiobook Maharashtra State Board Series. Keep your book open for figures and images reference. Class 6th, Geography. Chapter name, let us use the graticule. Observe the globe and answer the following. What are the horizontal lines on the globe called? List the continents and oceans through which the equator passes. Encircle the intersection of 0 degrees meridian and 0 degrees parallel on the globe. Which oceans are spread in all 4 hemispheres? Which continents are spread in all 4 hemispheres? At which 2 parallels do all the meridians converge? When we talk about various places, regions, rivers, roads, etc., we are actually talking with reference to the earth. The location of a place, the extent of a region, and the extent of any linear feature can be described precisely with the help of parallels and meridians. Let us see how to use the graticule for this purpose. Verify the following description with the help of a world map or a globe in the school. While describing the location of a place, we need to consider only one parallel and one meridian. Example, Delhi is located at 28 degree 36'50" in latitude and 77 degree 12'3" longitude. For describing the extent of a region, we need to consider 2 parallels and 2 meridians at the extreme ends of the region. For example, the extent of Australia is described as 10 degree 30s to 43 degree 39s latitude and 113 degrees E to 153 degrees E longitude. For describing the extent of linear features like a river, road, etc., we need to consider the latitude and longitude of their terminal points. For example, the river Nile in Africa originates in Lake Victoria, flows north, and meets the Mediterranean Sea near the city of Alexandria in Egypt. The location make friends with maps. Of Lake Victoria is 0 degrees 45'21" latitude and 33 degree 26'18" longitude. Similarly, the location of Alexandria is 31 degree 12 in latitude and 29 degrees 55'07" longitude. These latitudes and longitudes are considered to describe the extent of the river Nile. This extent is from 0 degree 45's latitude and 33 degree 26' longitude, origin, to 31 degree 12 in latitude and 29 degree 55 longitude, up to the mouth. Let's use the graticule. Answer the following questions about location and extent with the help of figure 2.3. Which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia? What would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spreads from 5 degrees 15 N to 33 degrees 45's latitude? In which hemispheres does Brazil extend in the north-south direction? In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the east-west direction? Which parallels and meridians should be used to describe the extent of River São Francisco? Describe the location of Marjo Island using the graticule. Let us get acquainted with some important parallels and meridian. All places between 23 degrees 30 north and south of the equator receive perpendicular rays on 2 days in a year. Other areas of the earth never get perpendicular rays. The parallels at 23 degrees 30 N and 23 degrees 30 S of the equator are called Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn respectively. The parallels at 66 degrees 30 north and south of the equator are also important parallels. In the area between these 2 parallels, throughout the year, daytime lasts within the limit of 24 hours. These are called the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle respectively. Depending on the seasons, daytime, the sun is visible in the sky, can be greater than 24 hours in the areas between the polar circles and the poles. The maximum duration of the sun's appearance in the sky can be of 6 months at the poles based on the seasons. During this period, the sun continues to move in a spiral on the horizon. We have seen in STDV that the Earth's axis is inclined. These important parallels arise because of its inclination by 23 degrees 30. Due to the duration and intensity of sunlight, different temperature zones are formed on the Earth. These zones give rise to pressure belts. Variation in the intensity of sunlight leads to regional diversity in plant and animal life. The 0 degrees longitude or prime meridian is an important meridian. The main purpose of this is to fix the global standard time and coordinate the standard times of different countries. This meridian is also called Greenwich Meridian. Global Standard Time is known as GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. The 180 degrees meridian is also important. From the prime meridian, other meridians are marked east and west up to 180 degrees. The 180 degrees meridian lies opposite to the prime meridian. The international date line is marked with reference to this meridian. The equator as well as all pairs of opposite meridians form great circles. Great circles are used for finding the minimum distance between any two places on the surface of the Earth. Chapter End. Find the answer book in the description of the video. Take a 15-minute break before starting the next chapter. Edugram helps you to understand chapters in audiovisual ways that are also for free. Get the audiobook, explanation videos, question-answer book, exam preparation materials for free. Like, share and subscribe Edugram. Stay tuned for the next chapter.